Guys, today we'll see an unboxing video of a sunglass that is from Tom Martin. And generally we need a sunglass during daytime because to avoid the dust particles to enter into our eyes, and during night time also to ride safe, to protect the headlights coming from the vehicles from the opposite side. We need actually a glass. So I researched a bit on the internet and I found out this particular brand and this particular model is coming under my budget, and my budget was around 700 to 800 rupees, and you can see the price written over here is close to 1600 rupees, and I bought it from Amazon with 799 rupees only. So without any further waiting, let's start with the unboxing. So let me unbox. So in the box you can see a hard case. Color is nice, black color, and the finish is good. This is a rubber zipper, and the quality of the zip is also very good. Let me open the case. We have some small particles here. Let me open the first one. This is some cloth kind of thing. Yeah, this is, I think, to clean the glass itself. This product cloth is very smooth and is of good quality. You can see the company name is embossed over here, that is Tom Martin. And apart from this, we have one card, that is, I hope, yeah, this is a guarantee card, guarantee certificate, and with this you can find 2 years of guarantee if you register this product on www.tommartinoutlet.com/warranty. I will give you this particular link in my description below. So this is the guarantee card. Apart from this, we have a documentation kind of thing. Also you can find the social media. You can follow Tom Martin in Facebook, Twitter and all. Apart from this, yeah, I think we have the sunglass itself. It's under a nice pouch. This pouch is also embossed with the company logo, that is Tom Martin. You can see here, and this is actually a very old feature, but still I like this feature, this thread feature. The quality looks good of this pouch. So let me open this and bring out my glass out. So here it comes, the glass itself. At first look, it looks very good. The quality, materials and finish is very good. You can find the chrome kind of thing over here, and I have ordered this yellow glass. I don't know if any other color is available, and also the same logo is embossed here also. Overall it looks good, the quality and all, and there is no spring kind of thing that we see generally in our normal goggle. First looks good, though I have not tested yet, but I will test and come back to you with my further videos. Till then, stay tuned and have a nice day.